In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Goodday. Adding clear deadlines to your tasks is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. In Goodday, this is done directly from the task you're working on, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. First, open Goodday and navigate to the project or workspace where your tasks are stored. From there, select the specific task you want to add a due date to. This might be something like a feature to develop, a document to review, or any action item you're tracking. Click on the task to open its detailed view. This is important because all of the scheduling and deadline options live inside this task detail panel, not on the main list. Once the task is open, look for the deadline icon. In many layouts, this appears near the top area of the task window, close to other key fields like assignee or status. The icon usually looks like a small calendar or a clock. Go ahead and click on that deadline icon. This opens up the date picker, where you'll be able to specify exactly when the task is due. Now that the deadline panel is open, select the date that you want to use as the due date. You can click directly on a day in the calendar view. A helpful tip here is to align your due date with your team's real working schedule. For example, avoid setting important deadlines on days when you know people are out or on weekends unless that's intentional. You can also adjust the month and year in the picker if you're planning further ahead. In many cases, you won't just want a single deadline, but also a clear start and end period for the task. To do that, look for the start-end icon in the same area where you found the deadline. Click on the start-end icon to open the scheduling options for the task's time frame. From here, select your start date and your end date. The start date indicates when work on the task is expected to begin, while the end date defines when it should be completed. Try to set realistic ranges that reflect the effort required. This makes your timelines easier to manage and helps your team understand when they should actually be working on the task, not just when it's finally due. Once you've chosen your dates, simply close the panel, and your deadlines are now saved in Goodday.